Hello, my dear students. We are going to talk about comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. Now we are going to look at comparison of adjectives. Adjectives in English have three different forms. الصفات في الإنجليزي يا شباب لها 3 أشكال: positive, comparative, and superlative. What do these forms mean? The positive form is the basic of the adjective. For example, or an example is tall or big again. Adjectives in English have 3 different forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. What do these forms mean? The positive form is the basic of the adjective. An example is big. The comparative form، comparative ده يا شباب اللي هي المقارنة بين شيئين، بين شخصين، carries the meaning more، بتاخد معنى كلمة more. An example is bigger. Superlative form carries the meaning of most. For example, biggest. What do we use, or when do we use comparative? When do we use comparative? We use it to compare between two or more people or things. يبقى شباب المقارنة بنقارن بين شخصين أو شيئين. لو كان one syllable we use ER at the end of the adjective. بنحط ER في نهاية الجملة and we use then. أو positive, clear. In comparative we use clearer. In superlative we use est at the end of the adjective. بنحط est في نهاية الصفة. The clearest and we use the before it. The clearest. Clear. In comparative clearer than, but in superlative we use the clearest. In comparative darker than, in superlative the darkest. One syllable ending with e، لو بتنتهي بإيه يا شباب ما نضيفش اي تانية، نزود بس r أو st. wise, wiser, wiser than, or in superlative the wisest. لازم نحط قبلها كلمة ايه يا شباب؟ the، بس مفيش than. simple. in comparative اما نقارن بين ايه شيئين simpler than, taller than. اما اقول لك احمد is taller than علي، انما الاطول احمد is the tallest. استخدمنا est. Number 3 adjectives ending with one vowel. then, fat. بنعمل فيهم يا شباب بنضاعف الرقم الحرف الأخير. double the last letter. thinner, thinner than. in superlative thinnest. fat, fatter, fattest. we use two syllable ending in y. بتنتهي بواي يا شباب. busy. بنحول الواي لايه؟ ل I. busier, busier than. merry, merrier than. in superlative the busiest, the merriest. if we use 3 or more syllables. هنا بقى يا شباب قاعدة تانية خالص، لو نستخدم أكتر من 3 مقاطع، 3 مقاطع أو أكتر، هنستخدم هنا more or most. in comparative في المقارنة بين شيئين أو شخصين we use more. in superlative طب بنستخدم ايه يا شباب؟ the most. Ali is more creative than Ahmed. هنا Ali is the most creative in superlative. Popular, more popular. He is more popular than, but in superlative he is the most popular. He is the most popular. في يا شباب حاجة اسمها irregular adjectives. irregular adjectives صفات ايه؟ زي اللي بيقولوا عليها ايه؟ غير منتظمة او شاذة. good ما اقول لك Ahmed is better than Ali. We don't say gooder. ما قلناش كلمة gooder، ما حطيناهاش ايه؟ لا good better. in superlative we use the best. bad in comparative في المقارنة worse. superlative worst. little less least. much more and most. يبقى يا شباب we use the comparative to compare two or more two people or two things. زي ما قلنا Ali is taller than Muhammad. Muhammad is shorter than Ali. But in superlative Ahmed is the tallest. more than three or more syllables لو أكتر من 3 مقاطع أو 3 مقاطع يا شباب we use more and most. She is the most beautiful girl in superlative, but in comparative she is more beautiful than Noha. See you soon and goodbye.